My name is Therese Tuscher and I'm with the Oatey Company, and today we're going to talk about our Moda supply box system. So this system was introduced in 2017 with the contractor in mind. Why it's called Moda? It is a modular box with infinite possibilities, can do lots of different things. So let's start with our ice maker box. One of the things that we did with this particular box is we designed it so that it can turn 360 degrees, and as you can see, I'm turning it now, and what that allows is that the copper wire then does not kink when the ice maker is pushed back. Just a really super simple solution here, but one that's really important for contractors. When I'm out talking to contractors, I ask them what's really important. So this is one of the features that on this box is one that they really enjoy. The other thing is that you'll see along here, we have all different types of boxes. So we do gas boxes, we do condensate boxes, we do washing machine boxes, ice boxes, and even we have a box for our AAV. Right here is another box that we have, which is our condensate box. It also functions as the discharge for your washing machine. So as you can see, it's got a funnel here. So it'll handle your discharge and also condensate at 5 to 6 gallons a minute, as you see it here. We also offer it with a top that connects to the top of the box as well, and that handles higher function of about 10 to 12 gallons a minute. All of these boxes come with different cover options. So we have a half cover, we have a full cover, and we also have a louvered cover that is available for our AAVs. Another feature we have on this, as you can see, our boxes are specifiable with our own hammer arrestor. So here's one of our valves with a hammer arrestor. Now, what we have, which is exclusive to Oatey, is this lock pin technology. So this lock pin is, as you can see here, you have 2 O-rings rated at 145 PSI. The reason we have this removable is that should the valve fail for whatever reason, or maybe it was specified without a hammer arrestor, simply remove the lock pin with a needle nose plier and you can add a new valve into the product itself. So this is something that saves contractors quite a bit of time, because now you don't have to cut out that box and then replace it and fix drywall. Simply just change this out like this and put the lock pin back in. So the boxes are also available fire rated. So what makes it fire rated is an incandescent pad is put onto the back of the box from the factory, rated for 1 and 2 hour walls. And then we've got, I don't think we're showing it here, but we have metal brackets that, similar to the Moda box here, how they're installed with metal brackets. So that's what makes it fire rated. So our boxes all come with fire rating. Here's a sample of how that fire rating metal bracket works. And that's it. We've got washing machine boxes, ice maker boxes, kitchen boxes. Our contractors also put them in behind vanities for large multifamily and hotel applications. But visit Oatey.com and go on to, type in Moda, and you can get all of the information that you need regarding the Moda box. Thank you.